The people's choice, VP Constantino Chiwenga, panguwa inoi, as you all know that he dashed for Uganda pa the inauguration iriko. Zarapina mashoko enobudanyo kwa panguwa ine, chonokwanzi VP Constantino Chiwenga, aiwa, vanodika mwane vanhu. Panguwa inoi people, they are wishing VP Constantino Chiwenga well. Panguwa ine panono attenda the Ugandan inaugural. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipping up the hair out. I'm just posted these pictures. Say I'm working on our chiti. Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga has arrived in Uganda ahead of the inauguration and swearing-in ceremony of President Yoweri Museveni tomorrow. He was accompanied by his wife, Colonel Mnangagwa Chiwenga. Upon arrival, the Vice President was welcomed by Zimbabwe's Deputy Ambassador to Uganda, Ms. Siriwaziso Manyonga. Also present to welcome the Vice President was Uganda's Democratic Party President and Minister of Justice and the Constitutional Affairs Justice, Minister Norbert Mao. Roma developments are kuda panguwa ino chinoka VP Constantino Chiwenga achinoattenda the Ugandan inaugural. Zvinoitika panguwa ino nikonse mu the ruling party ZANU-PF zvino zvida kupira zvakanaka is Chiwenga achionekwa as a main threat for Vision 2030 and panguwa ino kuchonokwa being sent to represent the head of state some other nations. Azobuda pachena kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga is being eliminated from some choreography anenge achisara achiitika in attaining the Vision 2030 in its progress. Comment section medu dzafungira iri mari kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.